Finger bowls. No one speaks of finger bowls anymore. Does anyone speak of finger bowls? They're awesome, and if you're serving something that guests pick up, and the rule is if the bone is exposed, you can pick it up. If the bone is not exposed, you cannot pick it up. If the soup bowl has handles, you can pick it up. If it doesn't have handles, you can't pick it up. Some people serve finger bowls at very fancy parties just after the main course, simply so guests can rinse their hands for whatever reason. It's not really done anymore, but I want to show you this. So my dad used to have finger bowls, and he would put, there's water, usually with a little lemon, piece of lemon, and then my dad would put these little glass hand-blown animals, and it was always like, who got what animal? It was fun. If you should ever go to a party where they serve a finger bowl, I'm going to show you how to do it because of a famous family story. My brother brought somebody home from school, and there was a big fancy dinner, and the finger bowls came out, and the guy put the finger bowl down in front, puts from the left, so he comes in, and he serves the guests like this. Peter's friend, my brother's friend. And the guy had never seen a finger bowl before, and he had no idea what it was. So he was served first because he was the guest. So when the ice cream came around, he put the spoons in the ice cream and plopped it in the water of the finger bowl. So my father is served next, puts the utensils in the ice cream, plops it in the finger bowl, because that's chic. That you don't make this kid feel like an ass, right? That was cool. So what happens? Here they come in. This is some banquet or something, right? And also, you could do this because it's kind of hilarious, especially if you're serving lobster. It's kind of chic. Just have the same bowls, all four of the same bowls. So here they come in, or you come in, and they put the thing down like this. And you're like, what the hell am I supposed to do with this? I'm going to show you. You take the fork and knife and you move them off the dessert plate. You rinse your fingertips in the water. You do not touch or pick up the lemon if it's in there. You just squeeze it gently with your fingers, okay? There's no water in here. I'm just demonstrating. Then you take your hands down to your napkin. You don't bring your napkin up like this. It's not a washroom, okay? So you take your hands down and you wipe your hands like this. And now here's the key. You pick up the doily and the finger bowl and you move it to your left. Now I just dropped weirdo science on you, all right? So we're gonna do it really quick. Fork and spoon, you move them to either side. You rinse your fingers like this, put them down in your lap and dry them. Pick up the doily and the finger bowl and move it to the left. The other thing that you can do, which people, if you're someplace that makes you feel like, oh geez, is wait and look at the person you think knows discreetly. I mean, it's easy to do. Now I just dropped weirdo science on you.